Experiencing a no-signal message on your Sceptre monitor when using HDMI is a common and frustrating issue that affects many users. This problem often stems from issues with three key technical processes: the HDMI handshake, EDID data exchange, and hot plug detection. The first step in troubleshooting is to verify your physical connections. Start by ensuring you're using a certified HDMI cable, preferably HDMI 2.0 or higher. Next, carefully inspect the HDMI ports on both your monitor and source device. Look for any physical damage, bent pins, or debris that could interfere with the connection. To isolate the problem, try different HDMI ports and cables. Test multiple combinations to determine whether the issue lies with a specific port, cable, or device. This systematic approach is highly effective. Statistics show that faulty cables are responsible for 35% of all HDMI detection issues, making cable testing a crucial first step. When physical connections are confirmed working, the next step is troubleshooting your monitor's internal settings. Start by manually cycling through input sources using your monitor's physical buttons. Check your monitor's auto detection settings in the menu system. Many monitors have an auto detect feature that can be toggled on or off. Sometimes toggling this setting resolves detection problems. If input source selection doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting your monitor to factory default settings. This eliminates any configuration conflicts that might be preventing proper HDMI detection. For advanced troubleshooting, consider EDID override methods. EDID stands for Extended Display Identification Data. You can force a specific resolution through your graphics control panel to bypass automatic detection issues. Graphics driver updates are crucial, especially for Windows 11 and macOS Ventura users. Driver problems account for 22% of all HDMI detection issues, making this a high-priority troubleshooting step. If all troubleshooting steps fail, consider professional repair, especially if your monitor is still under warranty. Hardware failure accounts for 15% of cases and typically requires professional diagnosis and repair.